Facing a future swept by AI, many young people, especially communication students, are starting to feel lost. When machines can write, paint, and even automatically edit, can the writing skills we've practiced for years still maintain a competitive edge? Actually, I shared a new perspective with students that can turn their career vision around. And this confidence comes from a tech giant. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang asserted, "We are at a historic turning point. The most powerful programming language of the future will no longer be traditional code." He pointed out that the most powerful programming language is neither C++ nor Python, but our innate mother tongue. As technology advances, humans no longer need to humbly learn the language of machines, because machines have finally learned the language of humans. This is not just a technological change, but a major revelation, a shift from writing code to giving instructions through natural language. In the past, driving a computer required learning obscure code. This was essentially a compromise of humans adapting to machines. Jensen Huang declared the end of this compromise. Now AI is powerful enough to directly capture human intent. But how does this look in practice? Let's look at how natural language is commanding AI tools end-to-end to get things done today. Take software development. A single sentence can now initiate an entire application lifecycle. Tools like Replit Agent interpret your requirements, bootstrap the front end, and configure the database in minutes. It handles debugging, generates tests, and deploys the app to the cloud, all driven by your plain English instructions. What used to take weeks of manual coordination now takes minutes, reducing the cost of innovation to nearly zero. In marketing, we've moved from basic prompts to intelligent pipelines that handle multi-channel orchestration. Publish a blog post, and AI independently extracts hooks, scripts a video, and drafts platform-specific updates. It even identifies high-intent leads and triggers personalized email sequences without human intervention. Marketing teams are reclaiming hours every week by automating the grunt work of repurposing and distribution. Data analysis is also being democratized. We are moving from dashboards to Agentic Analytics. Instead of writing complex SQL, you simply ask a question. The AI agent reasons over months of data to find the root cause. It generates a narrative report and can even automatically initiate a workflow to solve the problem instantly. So what are the implications for education? How do we prepare the next generation for this paradigm shift? In the classroom, AI is becoming an ambient assistant, handling routine marking and providing instant feedback loops. This frees up educators to focus on what matters most: critical thinking, ethical guardrails, and personalized mentoring. Thriving in this era requires a fundamental mindset shift. We must move from viewing AI as a competitor to a collaborator. Success is no longer measured by the hours of effort spent, but by the quality of the outcome and the clarity of your vision. Because technical skills have a shorter half-life, the most valuable professionals are those who can learn and adapt the fastest. We are moving to an AI co-work model where agents coordinate tasks while humans provide the strategic gut checks. This brings us back to those deep narrative skills. They are now your most powerful development tools for the AI future. We are standing in an era of unprecedented empowerment. Your creativity is the only limit to what you can build. So, don't be afraid. Embrace your mother tongue and the new mindsets of the AI era. It's time to become a programming master. I'm Ringo. Thank you for exploring this historic turning point with me. Let's build the future together.